好，接下来我们再来关注一下耶伦在费城的讲话。
Assessment is that the current stance of monetary policy is generally appropriate, in that it is providing support to the economy by encouraging further labor market improvement that will help return inflation to 2%. At the same time, I continue to think that the federal funds rate probably will need to rise gradually over time to ensure price stability and maximum sustainable employment in the longer run.
耶伦承认5月非农就业数据令人担忧，但强调市场无需过度解读单一数据的起伏。
After the jobs data on Friday, people's forecast for GDP didn't change. The Atlanta Fed, which tracks GDP, is saying 2.5% growth in the current quarter, despite the weaker job growth. And so that kind of growth in the economy tells the Federal Reserve, same thing it tells investors, and that is it's probably noise, it's probably a one-off shock that maybe not fully explainable right now.
芝加哥商品交易所的美联储观察工具显示，7月加息的可能性在27%。
So I think the earliest date the Federal Reserve could raise rates is at the end of July, the following meeting. And that meeting is a little bit awkward because there's no press conference scheduled afterwards. The benefit for the Federal Reserve of raising rates in July is that people like me will no longer be able to game it and say the Fed will only raise rates when they have a press conference. And that's in March, June, September, and December. And so if the Federal Reserve then raises rates in July, now all meetings would be live.
第一财经记者葛贝尔、申玉峰，美国纽约报道。